McDonald's. The name alone sparks a sense of nostalgia for millions around the world. A brand that's become synonymous with fast food, convenience, and those iconic golden arches.
The company expects to open nearly 10,000 more restaurants over the next 4 years.
But how big is McDonald's exactly? You might be surprised to learn that this global giant serves around 69 million customers every single day. Yes, that's nearly 1% of the world's population stopping for a Big Mac or fries daily. With more than 40,000 restaurants operating across over 100 countries, McDonald's isn't just a fast food chain, it's a business empire, a titan of economics, logistics, and innovation.
With supply chains having been hit and exports blocked, experts fear that there could be severe food shortages in the months ahead.
During the global disruption of the COVID-19 pandemic, when businesses suffered supply chain interruptions and closures, McDonald's didn't just survive, it thrived. It continued expanding by franchising new locations, keeping its dominance firmly intact. But what makes McDonald's so unwaveringly successful? How can they ensure that the quality and flavor of their product remains consistent across the globe? What elements contribute to the success of this food chain giant? Before moving forward, make sure to subscribe to this channel. The most sold item at McDonald's is French fries, which have maintained their status as the best-selling menu item since the chain's inception. McDonald's sells approximately 9 million pounds of fries daily, making them a staple for customers worldwide. Producing such a large quantity of French fries is a challenge in itself, and making them available in every McDonald's restaurant is another. To ensure consistency, McDonald's builds long partnerships with supplier companies. Lamb Watson has been a long-standing supplier of French fries inventory to McDonald's. This company supplies approximately 13 to 14% of frozen French fries to McDonald's. There are over 4,800 different edible varieties of potatoes that are grown worldwide, but McDonald's relies on 4 main potato varieties for its iconic French fries. This includes Russet Burbank, which is actually the original potato variety used by McDonald's. McDonald's also relies on Ranger Russet, Umatilla Russet, and Chapati to keep its food supply chain running throughout the year and across different parts of the world. These potatoes are chosen for their high starch content and low moisture, qualities that contribute to the perfect fry. Once harvested, the potatoes embark on a fascinating journey through McDonald's state-of-the-art production facilities. First, they're washed, peeled, and cut into the iconic shoestring shape we all know and love. But the real magic happens next. The cut potatoes are blanched in hot water to remove excess sugars, ensuring that perfect golden color when fried. They're then dried and given a quick par fry in beef tallow and vegetable oil. At this stage, the fries are flash frozen, locking in flavor and allowing for easy transport to McDonald's restaurants worldwide. This freezing process is crucial, as it allows McDonald's to maintain a year-round supply of consistent quality fries, regardless of potato harvesting seasons. When the frozen fries arrive at a McDonald's restaurant, they're ready for their final transformation. The fries are cooked in vegetable oil for a precise amount of time, typically around 3 minutes, resulting in that perfect balance of crispy exterior and fluffy interior that McDonald's fries are famous for. Like Lamb Whitson, McCain Foods has been a vital supplier to McDonald's, particularly recognized for its provision of the iconic French fries known as McFries. Their partnership, established in 1977. But McDonald's success isn't limited to its fries. The company has built a vast network of suppliers to ensure a steady stream of high-quality ingredients for all its menu items. Take, for example, the Big Mac. This iconic burger requires a complex supply chain, from the beef patties to the special sauce. McDonald's works closely with beef suppliers to ensure that their strict quality standards are met, while also addressing concerns about sustainability and animal welfare. Since 2015, Craig Gill has consistently provided beef for McDonald's Big Mac. This company operates a processing plant in Spruce Grove, a city in Canada. Every day, it produces 3 million patties, a total of more than 70 million pounds per year. The beef is delivered to this processing plant in sealed trucks from various farms throughout Canada. They ensure that the beef is inspected and processed within 1.5 days. The facility receives 2 types of beef, fat beef and lean beef. Following a thorough check, they use grinders to mix and grind both types of beef. The patty production line works like a mechanical orchestra. There are no additives, fillers, or chemicals added to the beef production process. The mixture is then shaped into uniform patties with specialized machines, ensuring consistency in size and thickness. It moves through thermal scanners, emerging as precisely weighted 1.6-ounce portions, each uniform in diameter and thickness. The patties are then flash frozen at temperatures of roughly -18 degrees Celsius for 24 minutes. This maintains their quality during transport. The frozen patties are then packaged in containers that will keep them safe and fresh until they arrive at a McDonald's restaurant. For over 20 years, McDonald's has been perfecting the art of making buns. Pillowy, golden, and the perfect complement to their iconic burgers. But what goes into creating these buns that millions enjoy every day? Let's take a closer look at the science and precision behind the process. It all starts with the sponge and dough process, a time-tested method for achieving consistency and quality. Key ingredients: flour, water, liquid yeast, salt, and an enzyme called protease are carefully combined. This initial mixture undergoes a rigorous inspection to ensure premium quality. It is then left to ferment for 4 hours in a controlled environment. Here, the gluten develops, and the yeast multiplies, creating the base for the perfect texture and flavor. Next, more ingredients are introduced, including 5% sugar, additional salt, yeast, flour, and water. The mixture transitions to the bun rounder, forming the dough into neat, uniform balls. After a brief resting period, the dough is prepared for the next step. The dough balls are placed in proofing pans and left to rise for 55 minutes at 40 degrees Celsius and 90% humidity. Once ready, a special pea protein glaze is applied, followed by a sprinkling of sesame seeds for that signature McDonald's bun look. The buns are baked for 8 to 9 minutes at 240 degrees Celsius, achieving that iconic golden brown crust. After baking, they enter the spiral cooler for 27 minutes, slowly bringing them to the perfect temperature for slicing and packing. Finally, the buns are expertly sliced and immediately packaged so they can be sent to McDonald's restaurants around the world. Each bun is a testament to precision, care, and years of expertise. It's the dedication to quality that ensures every McDonald's burger is as delicious as the last. Building long-term partnerships is the key element of a philosophy given by one of the founding fathers of McDonald's. It literally made McDonald's the uncrowned king of the fast food industry worldwide. Ray Kroc was a milkshake mixer salesman who visited the McDonald Brothers restaurant in 1954. Impressed by their efficiency and potential, Kroc convinced the brothers to let him franchise their concept. In 1955, Kroc opened his first McDonald's in Des Plaines, Illinois, marking the birth of the McDonald's Corporation. He knew it would be impossible to expand franchising without a long and strong partnership with the owner, suppliers, and employees. Therefore, Kroc emphasized seeing McDonald's as a three-legged stool. It cannot stand without any of its legs. By aligning the interests of these groups, he created a robust and scalable business model that would propel McDonald's growth for decades to come. The franchising model became the cornerstone of McDonald's expansion strategy.
You were really interested in becoming
By
a
allowing
franchisee?
entrepreneurs to open and operate their own McDonald's restaurants under strict guidelines, the company could grow rapidly while maintaining consistent quality and service. This approach not only fueled McDonald's domestic growth, but also facilitated its international expansion, allowing the brand to adapt to local tastes and cultures while retaining its core identity. Today, over 90% of McDonald's restaurants worldwide are owned and operated by independent local business owners. This franchising model has proven remarkably resilient, even in the face of global crises. However, maintaining such a vast and complex supply chain is not without its challenges. The COVID-19 pandemic put unprecedented strain on global supply chains, disrupting businesses worldwide.
Tonight, signs that a critical link in the nation's food supply chain might be cracking as some meat processing plants around the country have become COVID-19 hotspots.
Yet McDonald's managed to weather the storm better than many of its competitors. The company's robust supply chain management, coupled with its ability to quickly adapt to changing circumstances, allowed it to maintain operations even as other restaurants were forced to close. During the pandemic, McDonald's leveraged its drive-thru and delivery capabilities, shifting its focus to off-premise dining. The company also streamlined its menu, focusing on core items to reduce complexity and maintain efficiency. These strategic moves, combined with McDonald's strong brand recognition and established supply chains, allowed the company to not just survive, but thrive during this challenging period. Despite being a global giant serving over 69 million customers daily, McDonald's has faced its fair share of backlash and scandals over the years.
The E. coli outbreak linked to McDonald's Quarter Pounders has spread to 3 new states.
McDonald's has said that the fast food giant is seeing a meaningful hit to its business because customers in the region and elsewhere have been boycotting the chain for its perceived support of Israel.
Chain getting grilled by customers amid reports of a Big Mac value meal approaching $18 in parts of the country.
As the face of the fast food industry, the company has often found itself at the center of debates about nutrition, labor practices, and environmental impact. In 2023, an E. coli outbreak linked to McDonald's salads raised alarm bells.
CDC investigating a deadly E. coli outbreak involving McDonald's.
Hundreds fell sick, leading to investigations into its supply chain. The shockwaves from this incident were so intense that McDonald's pledged $100 million toward rebuilding customer trust.
The company now pledges to spend $100 million to help franchises most affected by the E. coli.
McDonald's has often found itself swept up in political controversies. For years, pro-Palestinian communities accused McDonald's of supporting Israel. This led to widespread boycotts in several Muslim-majority countries.
The burger chain became a target after photos and videos on social media showed franchise stores in Israel giving away thousands of free meals to the members of the Israeli military.
For a company operating in 119 countries, balancing political neutrality and global reach has proven to be an ongoing challenge. Another persistent challenge for McDonald's has been labor practices.
Fast food prices in March were 33% higher than in 2019, and labor costs are surging.
From wage disputes to unsafe working environments, employees in multiple countries have raised their voices.
There are 500,000 McDonald's workers, just like me, that have to go to work whether sick or well.
One of the most famous controversies in McDonald's history is the hot coffee lawsuit of 1994. In Liebeck versus McDonald's restaurants, a 79-year-old woman sued McDonald's after suffering third-degree burns from spilling the chain's coffee on herself.
An 81-year-old woman has been awarded $2.9 million after she sued McDonald's, claiming their coffee was too hot.
The case became a media sensation and sparked a national debate about frivolous lawsuits. However, it also led to important changes in how McDonald's and other restaurants handle hot beverages. Equally infamous is the McLibel case of 1997, where McDonald's sued 2 environmental activists for distributing leaflets criticizing their business practices. The case became one of the longest trials in British history, bringing media scrutiny to every corner of McDonald's operations. Despite these challenges, McDonald's has consistently demonstrated an ability to adapt and evolve. The company has responded to changing consumer preferences by introducing healthier menu options, improving the nutritional quality of its core products, and increasing transparency about its ingredients and sourcing practices. In recent years, McDonald's has also embraced technology to enhance the customer experience. The introduction of self-service kiosks, mobile ordering, and partnerships with delivery services have all been part of McDonald's efforts to stay relevant in the digital age. These innovations have not only improved efficiency, but also allowed McDonald's to gather valuable data about customer preferences and behaviors. As we look to the future, what can we learn from McDonald's remarkable journey? First and foremost, the power of consistency cannot be overstated. McDonald's success is built on its ability to deliver a consistent product and experience, whether you're in New York, Tokyo, or Dubai. This consistency, combined with the flexibility to adapt to local tastes and cultures, has been key to McDonald's global success. Secondly, McDonald's demonstrates the importance of a strong symbiotic relationship between a company, its franchisees, and its suppliers. The three-legged stool philosophy has created a network of stakeholders all invested in the company's success, providing stability and driving innovation. Thirdly, McDonald's shows the value of continuous innovation and adaptation. From its early adoption of the drive-thru concept to its recent embrace of digital ordering and delivery, McDonald's has consistently evolved to meet changing consumer needs and technological advancements. Finally, McDonald's success underscores the importance of brand building. The Golden Arches are one of the most recognized symbols in the world, a testament to decades of consistent marketing and brand management. This strong brand identity has allowed McDonald's to weather controversies and adapt to changing market conditions while retaining its core customer base. As we conclude our journey through the world of McDonald's, we're left with a picture of a company that has become far more than just a restaurant chain. McDonald's is a global cultural phenomenon, a pioneer of the fast food industry, and a case study in business success. From its humble beginnings as a single restaurant in California to its current status as a global powerhouse serving millions every day, McDonald's story is one of innovation, adaptation, and relentless pursuit of efficiency and consistency. While the company continues to face challenges and criticisms, its ability to evolve and respond to changing consumer demands and societal expectations suggests that the Golden Arches will continue to be a dominant force in the global food industry for years to come. Love it or loathe it, there's no denying the impact that McDonald's has had on our world.